Okay, good morning class. Today is the third day of our chapter exponents and powers. So today we are going to solve sum number 7. Sum number 7 part 2. Look the question sum number 7 very carefully and read and understand what are they trying to say. They are telling you to keep the exponents in the form of negative. Exponents मतलब ये power. पावर हमेशा नेगेटिव में ही रहना चाहिए. आंसर जब लिखोगे तो वहां पे जो पावर होगा वो नेगेटिव फॉर्म में रहना चाहिए. पॉजिटिव में अगर रहता है तो फिर दैट आंसर इज रॉन्ग. क्लियर? अभी तक हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे कि नेगेटिव को वी वर ट्रांसफरिंग इनटू पॉजिटिव फॉर्म, but now the question itself is asking you that you have to keep the form in negative only. Clear? So let us see how we do it. What if it comes in positive? करते करते अगर मेरा आंसर पॉजिटिव में आ गया तो उसको नेगेटिव में कैसे ट्रांसफर करें? We are going to see that. Clear? Now see, 3/7 to the power -2. पहले ये ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करते हैं. ये जो बिग ब्रैकेट है इसके अंदर जो छोटा सा ब्रैकेट है उसको पहले सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है? So 3/7 to the power -2. Now I am opening this bracket. I am opening the big bracket. What will happen if I open the bracket? Do you remember this formula? A to the power n in one bracket, n बाहर, तो a to the power n into n. Exponential का law है. I don't remember which law is this, but there is a law over here when you have to multiply the powers. So see, we are going to do the same thing. I am opening this big bracket. If I remove this bracket, तो -2 into -3 हो जाएगा. So into -3. ठीक है? From now on, I will not explain the laws of exponents in a drastic way, but I'm just going to go fast. Clear? But you have to understand which law ma'am is using. I'll just write the law over here. You're just going to compare yourself the law with this law and the sum that we are going to solve. So 3/7 to the power -2 into -3. Again same thing, integers. 3/7 to the power 2 2s are 6. Minus into minus gives plus. तो यहाँ पे कोई साइन बैठाने की जरूरत नहीं है. कुछ साइन नहीं बैठाना मतलब इट इज पॉजिटिव. So 3/7 to the power 6. But what is my question saying? Now from here it came to here. I guess you people understood what I did. I did the law of integers. 2 3s are 6. लेकिन यहाँ पे भी माइनस है, यहाँ पे भी माइनस है. इंटीजर में क्या कहा जाता है कि माइनस इंटू माइनस इक्वल्स टू प्लस. माइनस इंटू प्लस इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस. याद है ना इंटीजर्स में किया था क्लास 7 में. So same thing I am going to do over here. Minus into minus is plus. कोई साइन नहीं लिखा है मतलब it is plus. If you want you can write plus sign, but it is of no use. No extra marks will be given to you for that. So 3/7 to the power 6. Now question is telling you that you have to keep the exponents in the form of negative, but over here it is becoming positive, isn't it? So do you remember this formula? P/Q to the power minus m. We were changing it into positive. What were we doing? We were changing it into inverse form. तो ये positive हो जा रहा था. Exponent का law number 2. It was like this. It was a negative. We were changing into positive by inversing it. तो अगर इसको हम लोग फिर से यहाँ पे कर दे, अगर फिर से हम इसको इन्वर्स कर दे तो फिर ये माइनस, ये प्लस से माइनस हो जाएगा, है ना? सिर्फ इसी लॉ को यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है. यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग माइनस से पॉजिटिव करते हैं पावर को, तब हम लोग ये p/q को इनवर्सली लिख रहे थे, q/p लिख रहे थे, है ना? तो अगर हमको q/p टू द पावर पॉजिटिव m को अगर फिर से नेगेटिव बनाना हो तो आई हैव टू अगेन ट्रांसफर दिस टू ओवर हियर. अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू ट्रांसफर q/p एज p/q. आई एम गोइंग टू इनवर्स इट, तो फिर ये मेरा प्लस माइनस में बदल जाएगा, है ना? तो सेम थिंग आई एम गोइंग टू डू. आई एम गोइंग टू अगेन राइट 7 ऑन द टॉप, 3 एट द बॉटम. So if I change it like this 7/3, तो फिर ये माइनस पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. क्लियर? सेम थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डू. जैसे नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव करने के लिए हम लोग को इन्वर्स करना पड़ता था, सेम थिंग यहाँ से पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव करने के लिए भी हम लोग को नंबर इन्वर्स करना है. Provided do not forget to put a minus sign over here. It is plus over here. When you are inversing inside the bracket, you have to write minus sign over here. Clear? If there is any difficulty to understand, then you people may ask your doubts, but this is the way to do the sum. You are keeping the sum into minus exponential power, negative exponential power. This is your answer. बस इतना सा ही करना था तुमको sum में. ठीक है? Okay. Next video will be of the next sum. Okay. Now this is the second sum. Today's second sum, 7 part 4. Again the same thing. You have to keep फाइनली जो आंसर आएगा उसका पावर जो है उसको नेगेटिव फॉर्म में लिखना है. बट ये पूरा फाइनल हमको लिखना है ना? वी हैव टू सिंपलीफाई दिस बिगर सम. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट सिंपलीफाइंग इट. वन बाय वन वी आर गोइंग टू सिंपलीफाई. Now I am not going to explain which law I am going to use, but I am just going to say that this is the first law. So now 2 to the power minus 1, applying first law, a to the power minus m equals to 1 by a to the power m. So 1 by 2 to the power only 1. Inside the bracket, 5 by 3 to the power 4. Law of exponent. If I open the bracket, it means 5 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4. If you know law of exponent, we are applying that. Into 3 by 5 to the power minus 2. Second law, p by q to the power minus m. So we are going to change it into plus sign. So it is going to be 5 by 3 to the power only 2. Division sign 17 by 9 जैसे वैसे ही रहने दो. Next, 1 by only 2 to the power minus 1 means only 2. Over here inside the bracket, 5 to the power 4 means 5 is 4 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 3 is also 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into यहाँ पे bracket के अंदर 5 2 3 2. 5 by 3 to the power 2 means this 2 belongs to 5 also, this 2 belongs to 3 also. This is also an exponential law. Close the bracket, divided by 17 by 9. Okay, 1 by 2. Let us solve inside the bracket first. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. And 125s are 625. If you do not know, do it in the rough work. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. Into, now over here, 5 into 5 divided by 3 into 3. I hope you people are understanding what am I doing. 5 square मतलब 5 into 5. 5 square मतलब 5 to the power 2. So 5 into 5. 3 square मतलब 3 to the power 2. So 3 into 3 divided by 17 by 9. फिर से. I guess there is a plus sign in between. I am making a mistake over here. Sorry. There is a plus sign in between. It's my mistake. I have put a multiplication sign over here. Okay. So, now let us solve this. 625 divided by 81. और यहाँ पे कितना होगा? 5 5s are 25. और नीचे यहाँ पे 9. Divided by 17 by 9. Now we have to solve inside the bracket. What we are going to do? We are going to find the LCM. Clear? So let us do it. 1 by 2. Let us find the LCM of 81 and 9. Rough work. 81 and 9. Let us do with 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 1s are 9. Again 9. So 9 9s are 81. The LCM is 81. 81 के टाइम्स में 81 के टेबल्स में 81 कब जाएगा? Obviously 81 ones are. So 625 ones are 625. Plus 9 के टेबल्स में 81 कितना टाइम्स जाता है? 9 9s are 81. So we are going to multiply 9 with 25. So 25 9s are. It's going to come 225. You can do it in the rough. 25 9s are. 9 9s are 45. 4 at the up. 9 it's 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. So 225. 225 divided by जैसा है वैसे रहने दो. 17 by 9. Clear? ठीक है? Now I am going to transfer this on top of the board, on top portion. If you want, you can pause the video and then copy this down, and then you will continue with the video. Okay? I am going to transfer from here till here because my board is small in size. Okay. Now let us do this. I am transferring this line to here. Now I am going to do it from here. So 1 by 2 bracket के अंदर क्या है? 625 plus 225. Let us add 625 225. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 at the up. 5 and this is 8. So it is coming to 850. So 850 by 81. Bracket के बाहर था divided by 17 by 9. Now let us open this bracket. If I open this bracket, यहाँ पे 1 by 2 है और इन दोनों के बीच कोई साइन नहीं है. 1 by 2 and this bracket, there is no sign in between. मतलब it is a multiplication sign. So 1 by 2 into 850 divided by 81. When I am changing this division into multiplication sign, what will happen to this second digit? 9 ऊपर चले जाएगा, 17 नीचे चले आएगा. तो 9 ऊपर 17 नीचे. ठीक है? So Over here, if I cancel with 9 tables, 9 ones are 9 nines are. 850 को तुम 2 से भी काट सकते हो. If you want, you can cancel it with 2 also. But the ones who know the tables of 17, they will know that 17 is actually, I think it is 25s up. If I am not wrong, it should be 25s up. So let us see. I'll just cancel it with this thing only, 2 only for you people. So 2 ones are. Let us do over here with 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 twos are 4. 2 fives are 425. Let us see with 9. 9 ones are 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. So 9 fours are 36. So it's going to come. It is going to come 65. So 8s are. ठीक है? Then 1s are, and this is 4. So it's coming to 4. See it carefully. You people also calculate. My answer is coming to 4. If I am not wrong. I am giving you people to calculate. See, I am giving time to calculate. I might be wrong. See it for yourself. Calculate it. Over here it is a little. Over here it is a little. This thing. A problem is over here. So let us erase and do it in a clear way. Let me use this bigger space for calculation because it's a big calculation. Let me use for a bigger space. Let us do this calculation first. 1 by 2 into 850 by 81. Let us do this first. Let this division sign be like that. 17 by 9. This will be better. Otherwise the calculation is becoming bigger. So 2 ones are, and this is going to be 425. This is what we got. 425, isn't it? 2 ones are and 425. So now let us open this bracket. 425 by 81. Now this is going to be multiplication sign. Division को हम लोग multiplication में change कर रहे हैं, तो फिर ये चीज उल्टा हो जाएगा, reverse हो जाएगा. 9 by 17. So it's 1s are. This is 9s are. This is 1s are, and this is 25s are. That is why I was using 17's table, because it is easier for you to calculate. So it is going to come 25 by 9. Now this is the final one. This is what I am getting. 4 is not right. This is what I am getting. 25 by 9. It is better to solve with 17's table because directly it goes with 17. 17 ones are, 17 25s are, 425. If you can calculate in the rough also, in this division form rough work you can do, you will also get 25 by 9. So okay, so now we are getting 25 by 9. So now we have to change it into powers, isn't it? In the question it is saying that you have to keep the powers in negative form. यहाँ पे तो कोई power है ही नहीं. So we have to change this number into a form of power, in a power form. So 25 and 9. Is it helping you? Is it resembling anything? It is coming anything in your mind that this number can be changed to someone's power? Think of it. Think in your mind that 25 and 9. Can I change it into any form of power or not? Anyone? Did it come to anyone's mind? So 25, it can be 5 into 5, and 9 can be written as 3 into 3. है ना? So can't I write 5 square and this is 3 square, right? So can't I write it like this? So 25 and 9 I can write it like 5 by 3 whole square. सही है ना? 5 square 3 square. तो हमने पूरा को ब्रैकेट में रख के यहाँ पे बाहर पे सिर्फ स्क्वायर लिखा है. So this square belongs to 5 also, 3 also, isn't it? So now I have to change this power into negative sign. So what did we do in the previous sum? We did p by 2 to the power minus m equals to q by p to the power only m. So अगर m को फिर से minus m बनाना है तो क्या करना है? Again we are going to reverse the number. Same thing. अगर positive को minus sign में करना है तो तब भी आपको यहाँ पे जो है ब्रैकेट के अंदर इसको इनवर्स वे पे लिखना है. और अगर नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव में करना है फिर भी आप तभी भी आपको यहाँ पे इस नंबर को इन्वर्स करना है, ब्रैकेट के अंदर जितने सारे भी नंबर है. सो फाइनली वी आर गोइंग टू राइट 3/5 to the power -2. This is your answer. Finally we got our exponents in negative form. 3/5 to the power -2. Clear? Over there in this video we were having a calculation problem because the calculation was bigger. So if you can solve it in one go, then very good, and if you cannot, then you can break it and do it. But actually one go was easier, I guess. I was trying to do it in a breakaway form, but that way I found it difficult. One way it was easier. Just with 17's table it was easier. So you need to keep your table strong. Okay? Thank you, class. Okay. The next sum, today's next sum. Sum number 10. Now you people are going to face a different kind of sums in exponents where you have to find the power. Power is not given to you. Can you see which power is not given to you? This power. See, 9 के ऊपर power में सिर्फ m लिखा हुआ है. Look it into your book. It is given m. You have to find the value of m. They are asking you to find the value of m. Whereas they have given you कि 3 के power -2 है equals to ये 9 के power जो है ये है 4. Now what do we do over here? The basic thing we do, 9, 3 and 9 is over here. The 3 of them goes in the tables of 3, isn't it? The 3 numbers over here goes in the tables of 3. मतलब I can break 9 into the form of 3. This 9 also I can break in the form of 3. यहाँ पे सबसे lowest number कौन है? 3 है ना? 3 is the lowest number. So I have to change this also in the form of 3, this also in the form of 3. If you go into the previous classes or into the previous lectures, you're going to find we did one sum where they asked you to make 16 in the form of 2. We had made it 16 in the form of 2, isn't it? If you remember that sum, 16 was made 2 to the power 4. Here also you can make 9 into the in this format where the base will be in the power of 3. Clear? So 9 is actually 3 square, right? 9 is 3 square. 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 is 3 square. बाहर जैसे m है वो m रहने दो, m को डिलीट मत करो, m को रहने दो. डिवाइडेड बाय, ये तो ऑलरेडी 3 में ही है तो 3 to the power -2 इक्वल्स टू, यहाँ पे फिर से 9 है, सो 9 को 3 में चेंज करो, 3 स्क्वायर, ब्रैकेट के बाहर जो पावर ऑलरेडी है वो लिखो 4. क्लियर? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वी डू? वी एक्चुअली ब्रोक 9 into the form of 3 base. We kept the base as 3. We want the base to be constant. That is why we are changing 9 into 3. This was already 3. We changed these two 9s into 3. So कैसे 9 को 3 में चेंज करते हैं? 3 into 3 is 9. That means 3 square. So 3 to the power 2. m तो जैसा है वैसे ही रहने दो. Again over here 3 to the power 2. 4 जैसा था वैसे ही रहने दो. ठीक है? Now do you remember this formula? A to the power m to the power n is am into n. We are going to use this over here. 3 to the power 2 बाहर पे m. So we can write 2 into m divided by 3 to the power -2 equals to 3 to the power 2 into 4. I will not elaborate what I did over here. I have written the formula over here. You are going to apply your basic rules. Clear? Every time I am not going to explain. You keep your formulas in your fingertips. Keep the laws ekdam mugged up. I want you people to mug up the laws. Otherwise you people cannot solve these sums. So 3 to the power 2m. If I multiply 2 into m, it will give me 2m. 2 into m मतलब 2m. ठीक है? या फिर आप 2 into m भी रख सकते हो. It is up to you. Now divided by 3 to the power -2. Clear? So I can write it like this. 3 to the power -2. I can write like this. Clear? Did you people understand what I do over here? So now next thing equals to 3 to the power over here. 2 4s are 8. समझ में आया हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Now look into this thing. And do you remember this formula? A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power n minus n. Do you people remember this law? This exponential law? I think it was law number 4, I guess. If I am not wrong, it was law number 4. A to the power m divided by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. Base same था, base दोनों ही m था, सिर्फ पावर डिफरेंट था. यहाँ पे देखो बेस सेम है ना? 3 and 3 जैसे वैसे उसको कंपेयर करके देखो. a to the power m, a to the power n. ठीक है? माइनस है कि यहाँ पे एक वेरिएबल और एक कांस्टेंट है, ये मत सोचो, सिर्फ इसको कंपेयर करो, इसके साथ इस फॉर्मूला को कंपेयर करो. a to the power m, a to the power n. So 3 to the power 2m divided by 3 to the power minus 2. How I am going to change this? 3 to the power 2m minus 2, है ना? See what I am doing. See it over here very carefully. इसके बाद what am I doing? I am writing 3, this thing, 3 to the power 2m minus 2. ब्रैकेट में -2 क्यों लिखा है ब्रैकेट में -2? बिकॉज यहाँ पे इस पावर में ऑलरेडी -2 था और फॉर्मूला के मुताबिक यहाँ पे एक माइनस बैठना चाहिए. देखो यहाँ पे इस फॉर्मूला में देखो m माइनस n था ना, तो m माइनस n, n में ऑलरेडी एक माइनस साइन था, इसलिए आई केप्ट इट इन ब्रैकेट बिकॉज माइनस के बगल में हम माइनस ऐसे पुट नहीं कर सकते, हमको ब्रैकेट में रखना है उसको. ठीक है. नाउ इक्वल्स टू जो ये था 3 to the power 8. I hope you people are understanding what I'm trying to do over here. So 3, now look into this, only this thing you are going to look into. 3 to the power 2m minus 2, 3 to the power 8. अभी let me open this bracket. ऊपर का जो काम है हम लोग को पावर का काम करना है. Let us do the powers work. 2m, let us open the bracket, minus will become plus 2. Class 6 basic algebra, minus open the bracket will become plus, so 2m plus 2 equals to 3 to the power 8. अभी हम लोग का असली solution start होगा. What is it? Can you see my bases are equal? यहाँ पे एक equal to sign है, यहाँ पे 3 है, वहाँ पे भी 3 है, इसीलिए हम लोगों ने 9 को 3 पे चेंज किया था ताकि यहाँ पे भी 3 रहे और यहाँ पे भी 3 रहे. मेरा बेस इक्वल रखना है हमको. ठीक है. So when the basis comes to equal, when you come to this stage, जब आप और कुछ कर नहीं सकते पावर के साथ, then you are going to remove the bases and work only with the powers, because आपको तो base find नहीं करना है, आपको तो power find करना है. देखो question में they have asked you to find m is a power, so you have to work with the powers. So now we are going to write it like this. Let me erase this on top. So now we are going to write only the powers. 2m plus 2 equals to 8. No more I am going to write the bases. Bases का काम खत्म हो गया है. बेस को क्यों जरूरत था? क्योंकि हम लोग को ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना था, तो उसके लिए तो मुझे बेस चाहिए. That is why I had changed 9 into 3 to make all the bases equal. जब ये स्टेज में आप आ जाओगे कि और पावर्स और बेस को लेकर और कोई काम नहीं है, तब आप you are going to delete the bases. When you delete the bases, only the power remains. So what is the power? 2m plus 2 equals to 8. Now can't you find m by this linear equation? Same thing. So 2m equals to, इस 2 को वहाँ पे ट्रांसफर करो, 8 minus 2. So it becomes 2m is equals to 6. है ना? Is it coming? The ones who know maths, they will only understand. The ones who doesn't try, how will I explain that to them? I don't know. Because these are basic. These were taught in class 7. So 2m equals to 6. So finally find the value of m. 6 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 3s are. So m is equals to 3. This is your answer. ठीक है, you got the answer. m is equals to 3. Clear? If you have any doubt in understanding this kind of sum, you are going to ask me, because these sums will come in exam. So I don't want you people to make any mistake. Maybe the numbers will be changed, but the format will be the same. Okay? You wait for the next sum. Okay. Today's last sum, 13 part 2. Same way, you have to find the value of n. Look into your book, 13 part 2. You have to find the value of n over here. Just like the previous sum, we found the value of m. Over here, we are going to find the value of n. मतलब power को find करना है. That sum was a little smaller sum. This is a little huge in numbers. There are many numbers over here. There were only 3 numbers. It was easier. So now, let us see the numbers. Let us observe the numbers. Over here, it is 9. It is 3. It is 27. It is 81. It is 3 again. And over here again, it is 27. Equals to 27. All these numbers belong to the tables of 3. If you look carefully, all these numbers belongs to the tables of 3. सबसे लोएस्ट नंबर यहाँ पे 3 है, तो यहाँ पे हर एक नंबर को 3 से हमको मतलब देखना है कि 3 के टेबल्स में कितनी बार ये लोग आते हैं. ठीक है? Means what I'm trying to say, you have to change the bases in the form of 3, just like that sum. 16 को we change the base into 2. So what did we do? 16 turned into 2 to the power 4. Over here also same thing is going to happen. So sometimes you might face a problem कि 9 को कितने बार 3 लिखना है. Okay? Some of you may know that 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. मतलब 3 अगर 2 बार लिखते हैं तो 9 आता है. तो 9 we can write 3 into 3 to the power n, leave it like that. Clear? Into, यहाँ पे तो ऑलरेडी 3 है तो कोई बात नहीं, 3 to the power 5 into 27. 27 3 को कितने बार लिखने से आता है? If you do not know this, then let me give you a simple way to find it out. You find the prime factorization for 27 with 3. So 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. देखो कितना बार 3 आया? 1 2 3. मतलब 27 को अगर 3 में चेंज करना हो तो अगर 3 को हम लोग 3 बार लिखते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, तो आंसर 27 आएगा. So how we are going to write? 3 into 3 into 3 to the power, देखो यहाँ पे 3 था, we are writing 3 over here. Clear? Did you understand how you can find it out? कि 3 को कितने बार लिखने से 27 आता है, 3 को कितने बार लिखने से 81 आता है. You can find it out by this method, prime factorization method. ये तो क्लास 6 में कर चुके हो तुम लोग, ठीक है? Divided by, नीचे यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक 3 है तो उसको सिर्फ 3 लिखना है. 81 को कैसे 3 में चेंज करें? Again do the prime factorization method. 3 से करो, you are going to get 27. Again with 3 it is 9. Again with 3 it is 3. Again with 3 it is 1. So 1 2 3 4. अगर 3 को 4 बार लिखते हैं तो यहाँ पे मेरा आंसर 81 आएगा. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 to the power 4. This is the best way to find it out, isn't it? It's an easier way. कि कितने बार 3 को लिखना है कि ताकि वो 27 आए. 3 को कितना बार लिखना है कि ताकि वो 9 आए. 3 को कितना बार लिखना है ताकि वो 81 आए. So you can find it out in prime factorization method. That is easier for you. Clear? So now 3 into 3 means 3 to the power 2. बाहर रहने लिखने दो. So 3 to the power 5 over here. यहाँ पे 3 कितने टाइम्स है? 3 बार. So 3 to the power 3. बाहर में 3 है तो रहने दो. नीचे 3 into यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4. So 3 to the power 4. बाहर पे 4 है, रहने दो. ठीक है? Did you understand what I did? I just constructed this part. I just wrote this thing in form of power. I just wrote these stuffs in form of power. Clear? Keeping the powers which is already outside. Don't change that thing. Outside में जो power है उसको मत बदलो. अंदर का काम तुम कर रहे हो. ठीक है? Brackets के अंदर जो काम है. Clear? Now, what you are going to do? I hope you remember that formula again. A to the power m. बाहर पे n. So a to the power m into n. बार-बार बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. But still I am saying this. So you are going to change all these forms in that form. ठीक है? Now let us see. 3 to the power 2, बाहर पे n. So we can write 3 2 into n. I am opening the brackets. Into, यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ 5 है तो सिर्फ 5 रहने दो. 3 opening the bracket, 3 into 3 divided by, यहाँ पे नीचे सिर्फ 3 into opening the bracket 3 4 into 4. समझ में आया what I did? I just opened the brackets and I multiplied the power straight away. Clear? So now I am going to continue this sum on top again. Let me, it is the question also. You people can write down the question from the book itself. It is 13 part 2. Okay. Now let us continue this sum. From here I am sending it to the top. So 3 to the power 2n we can write 3 to the power 2n. 2 into n को हम लोग 2n भी लिख सकते हैं. Into 3 to the power 5 जैसे वैसे रहने दो. ओ अच्छा, equals to यहाँ पे भी 27 था ना. So 3 3. Oh, we can write 27 over here. Let it be like this. Otherwise people will get confused. Equals to 27 जो था उसको ऐसे रहने दो. पहले इस टाइप का काम करते हैं. तो 3 to the power 5 यहाँ पे into 3 to the power 3 into 3 कहाँ गया? 3 to the power 3 into 3. So it is 3 to the power 9 divided by, यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक 3 है, into 3 to the power 16. ठीक है? Did you people understand what I did over here? Okay. Now over here it was 27. 27 को फिर से 3 के फॉर्मेट में लिखो. यहाँ पे तो तुम लोग कर चुके हो पहले. So 3 cube. है ना? 27 I can write 3 cube over here. Just now we did. ये तो यहाँ पे जो 3 cube था, ये तो 27 का ही था ना? तो वैसे ही हम लोग यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. ठीक है? 3 cube. Now next line. Now do you remember that formula? A into A, but there is a power. A to the power m into A to the power n equals to A to the power m plus n. अगर बेस सेम रहे तो उन लोगों के पावर्स को हम लोग प्लस कर सकते हैं, प्रोवाइडेड अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन रहे तो, है ना? अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन रहता है बीच में और बेस अगर सबका सेम रहता है और पावर्स डिफरेंट रहता है तो आई कैन plus the powers. I can add the powers. So I am doing that over here. On top 3 को हम लिख सकते हैं ऊपर में 2n plus 5 plus 9. I am adding only the powers and keeping the base over here 3. ठीक है ना? These are all laws of exponents. If you do not remember the laws of exponents, I cannot help you in this way. Okay, now next at the bottom denominator 3. यहाँ पे 3 के ऊपर कुछ है नहीं, मतलब यहाँ पे 1 है. ठीक है, तो 3 1 plus 16 समझ में आया? वो एक ही फॉर्मूला से हम कर रहे हैं, इक्वल्स टू 3 to the power 3 जैसे वैसे रहने दो. क्लियर? नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व दिस साइड. ऐड करो ऊपर 2n plus 5 plus 9. 2n को तो हम लोग ऐड नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि n अलग है, और यहाँ पे सिर्फ we can add 5 plus 9, isn't it? Let me give you an example. Can you add 2 with 2 meter? ऐड कर सकते हो? कभी नहीं. दोनों को मीटर में रहना है तो ना तुम लिख सकते हो कि 4 मीटर, या फिर दोनों को सिर्फ 2 रहना है तो फिर ना तुम लिख सकते हो कि ये 4 है. Isn't it? That is why we cannot add 2n with 5 and 9. We can only add 5 and 9. Clear? So 5 plus 9 is 14. So I can write 3 to the power 2n plus 14 divided by 3 to the power 17 equals to 3 to the power 3. Now look into this thing. Look into this part. Clear? Do you remember this formula? A to the power m divided by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. देखो, a to the power m, a to the power n gives a to the power m minus n. समझ में आया? यहाँ पे m है इतना बड़ा जो पावर है. ठीक है? So we can write 3 to the power 2n plus 14, मतलब m minus n 17 equals to 3 to the power 3. Clear? Let us solve on top. Let me see if I can solve it or not. 2n को तो हम लोग प्लस माइनस कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पे 14 और 17 है तो I can do minus. So 14 minus 17 is 3. So I can write 3 to the power 2n plus नहीं, it is going to be minus 3 equals to 3 to the power 3. Now why it is going to be minus? Integers. Plus 14 minus 17. So plus minus is minus. तो माइनस में आंसर आया 3. लेकिन साइन कौन सा बैठेगा, प्लस या माइनस? माइनस बैठेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि 14 और 17 में 17 सबसे बड़ा नंबर है ना? तो 17 का साइन कौन है? माइनस, इसलिए माइनस बैठा. समझ में आया ना? These sums are of integers. You people have done in class 7. I don't have to repeat it again and again, but still some people are there who don't know it. So now when you come to this stage, what you are going to do? Remember from the previous sum, we are going to remove the base and only consider the powers. So what is the power over here? We are just going to solve the powers. The power is over here 2n minus 3 equals to 3. है ना? Only the powers. Look into the powers. 2n minus 3 equals to वहाँ पे है 3. Clear? So let us solve. 2n equals to 3. इस 3 को वहाँ पे ट्रांसफर करो तो प्लस 3 हो जाएगा माइनस से. So 2n equals to 6. सिर्फ n निकालना है. n is equals to 6. यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म में था 2. यहाँ पे आगे डिविजन हो जाएगा 1 और यहाँ पे 3. So n is equals to 3. This is your answer. Did you understand? This sum was lengthy, but if you know the laws of exponents and how to change a bigger number into the base of a smaller number, then only you can do these kind of sums. I want you people to practice these kind of sums again and again, because one or two these kind of sums are going to come in the exam. Clear? Okay class, thank you for today.